My mother, you see, often used to carry me on the shoulder. Shoulder. Then I hold my mother's ear. I want to this side, go there. And this side. So one young boy, such a sort of stupid bully on one's own mother. So I think my mother's kindness a little bit spoiled me. So now these days, I really feel, I have certain amount of compassion that actually the seed which I received from my mother, that's the seed of today's my compassion. So I really feel grateful to my mother. So everybody,